Good Wednesday morning. Starting off the day with a weather alert. We've got some fierce winds coming in later on today, especially through the nighttime hours. In fact, it was just upgraded to where we have a high wind warning. We're expecting wind gusts upwards of 50, 60 miles per hour for areas north, south, all the way out toward northwest Indiana. Gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour. Now, even this morning, it is a little breezy out there. We've got some warm winds pumping in, and that's really going to help drive our temperatures up the ladder quickly. But the strongest winds will start to be felt just after 8, 9 o'clock and hanging around through the early part of the morning, with some winds, as I mentioned before, tapping near 60 miles per hour. So any of those loose holiday decorations, make sure they're secure later on, especially overnight tonight through the day tomorrow morning. Eventually, I'll be watching for those winds to relax. 53 degrees as we start off our morning. A very mild start for our December day. We're seeing a south wind coming in at 13 miles per hour. Aurora, it is 53 in Waukegan, 52 Kankakee. It is 50 degrees Valparaiso, also out toward Rensselaer. As we look at the clouds and radar, we've got a lot of clouds out there. We've had a couple of showers move through here or there. We will see maybe a chance at a passing sprinkle, maybe a little bit of mist throughout the day. But otherwise, as we get into the second half of your afternoon, very mild temperatures in the 60s. Later on tonight, there's going to be a line of showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms, a really thin band that develops by about 2 o'clock in the morning. That's right on top of us, moving off toward the east out across northwest Indiana by about 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. Sun returns for tomorrow, falling temperatures. We'll actually see a high tomorrow right around 60 degrees, but the afternoon is going to be more cooler, a little chilly out there and brisk. For today, 65 degrees, record warmth. The record was set back just about 50 years ago. That was 64. So I do think that we will break that record today. Windy and especially overnight tonight with rain and wind, falling temperatures dropping off into the 40s. And then as we look ahead for tomorrow, sunny skies, 45 degrees. But remember, the morning hours will be very warm and mild before the chillier air settles in. Your 7-day planner, we're in the 40s by Friday, a little cold as for this weekend. Saturday and Sunday, highs in the 30s, and staying on the colder swing through Monday into Tuesday.